send the message out. The network is down, but some functions still work? Virtually nothing has changed since I left. Apart from darkness, this place is all... It's too late to repent.
Stay where you are. I can handle this. Emergencies should be dealt with by professionals.
Fighting is meaningless.
Take this! Shape of Taishu! Rise, Phoenix! Let me through, or I'll go through you! Dodge this!
You're hurt.
It's okay. Phew. This one's strong, all right?
The time is now. The truth of life and death, revealed in this sanctuary, is but a vision.
Want to see what I can do?
Step aside. I have no interest in stoking conflict.
A miracle!
A little too much fun. What the?
With you two risking your lives for me, could I really stay where I am? Merciful Medicus!
Move carefully.
Let me through, or I'll go through you! Yeah! Take this! Shape of Taishu! Rise, Phoenix!
Eternal sleep. The dead will return! Secret of the Saints! Receive divinity.
Don't worry about me.
That which is seized must be repaid.
The truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision.
Immortality.
Are you two okay? Good. I'm Sushang of the Cloud Knights. I was just transferred here from the Yaoqing. I did tell you to let me handle it. I don't have eyes in the back of my head. What if I accidentally hit you?
Forgive me, miss, but you were too busy being hit yourself. It's a good thing
I was protecting you, more like. It's a Cloud Knight's job to protect others. That was some impressive Cloud Knight spearmanship. Which unit are you from? Huh. Okay, you're a civilian then.
Miss Sushang, what exactly has transpired here? In all my trade visits...
I can't comment on that. I was just ordered to rescue the civilians. Actually, I have no idea either. Anyway, you two, you're pretty quiet. What's your name? I've got forms to...
My name is Dan Heng. I'm a traveler. I'm on my way to meet up with my friends. I appreciate the help, but I can leave the port on my own.
No can do, mister. It's way too late. You won't find anyone at Star's Gift Haven. If your friends made it out, then they'll already be in the safe zone. No need to worry.
Aren't you going to take my name too, miss?
You already said it when we were busy fighting. Something. Lo Cha! Is that right? Let's go. Stay close, you two. Cloud Knight Sushang will guarantee your safety. Oh, one more thing. I need you to write your names down later. I don't know too many characters. I might make a mistake.
Message not sent? Why not?
Long-range communication technology is still improving. Perhaps the presence of the Stellaron is affecting signal transmission.
Doesn't seem like it. Everything else?
In that case, it looks like someone wants to make...
Get away with your crime by pretending...
Oh, you've arrived. No. Stargazer Navalia is governed by the Artisan, just like at Cloudford, with monsters wreaking havoc.
So we've got a bunch of monsters to deal with, and eyepiece... That's the trailblazing life for ya.
I wouldn't say you're entirely on your own. When you're ready. Shall we, my benefactors? Now, what's a hunt without a hound? Kafka is still at large, and the Skyfaring Commission wants this problem to go away. I made a few calls and managed to procure this from the Artisan.
Aww, he's so cute! I mean, what can he do exactly? Are we gonna set him loose on Kafka?
Yes and no. This is Diting, a bionic dog developed by be it tracks or scent, as long as he uncovers a trace. All we need to do is look for any trace left by Kafka. But before we get started, let's play with his settings a bit and get him... To begin with, let's set him to scent detection mode. Tell Diting to follow the scent of my perfume and see what he can do.
We need to follow these sparkly traces to find Miss Tingyun, right? She's not in a hurry, that's for sure. Playing hide and seek with us while Kafka's still at large?
How time flies.
From inside the pilot house came the jet.
The traces. Where did they go? Is Diting melt? Got it. He says the wind is too strong here at the port, so it's not easy. That's just the psychic bond between cute girls and cute puppies.
using the environment to hide her traces. Our girl...
Or we could ask around? Look how big... Excuse me. Any chance you saw a Foxian lady pass by?
Oh, that's a heck of a question, miss. I'd say nearly 1 in every 2 people passing through Starskip Haven is Foxian. We might have seen the lady you're looking for, but...
He's not lying. Still...
Pretty? Oh, that's too generic for a Foxian. Even if you don't count the ladies, there are plenty of gents that fit that description.
As tedious as it is, I'm afraid you'll have to,
I can put my hand on my heart and say I remember this fine lady.
Nonsense. I've been stood next to you this whole time, and I don't remember anyone like...
Well, I may not have seen her in...
Oh, dear, I'm sorry.
Are you two professional?
Please accept our apologies. Me and my partner do double act.
Then you guys swung by asking for this
Stay calm, stay calm.
I find it hard to trust anything you... Miss Tingyun must have left us these clues, right?
Deeding should be able to pick up her traces now.
You found me! Deeting's quite handy when it comes to tracking. If you pick up traces of Kafka in Stargazer Navalia, just switch him on. Who'd have thought that Stargazer Navalia might become so quiet? Long were the nights when the clangor of hammers rose to meet. The Luofu relies on the star skiffs produced here to transport people and goods. Now that work in the shipyard has stopped, our internal transport and outbound flights might also grind to a halt. Of course, the silver lining is I don't have to go on as many trips anymore.
You don't seem to worry too much about the Xianzhou, Miss T.
I wouldn't say that. A good businesswoman doesn't wear her heart on her sleeve. Besides, just to warn you, if we do run into Kafka, you'll have to do the fighting benefactors. I'd love to help, but there's very little I can do except cheer you. Not a lot of people out there could have fought the Mara-struck like you did. I'm only a civil servant. We Foxians don't live as long as the Xianzhou locals, but I still want to enjoy the 100-odd years I've got left. You do this. Besides, the Madam Helmmaster simply asked me to assist you in navigating around stars. I was never much of a fighter, and I'm not one for risking my life either. Getting Deeting in...
I'll definitely be putting in a few words next time.
Understood. We won't put you out of your comfort zone, miss. When we run into Kafka, we'll do the fighting. And the capturing, for that matter. Thank you.
Before Deeting can start tracking, you'll have to feed him some leads. If Kafka is hiding in Stargazer Navalia, she'll have left behind traces. Let's spread out and look for them. Leave no stone unturned.
match for me. Looks good.
Shards of a Cloud Knight's weapon. Something.
It must have been Kafka. She's got a scary.
Good quality, good price, hassle-free chartering. High-end barge, the best choice for galactic commerce.
Seems you need to experience some hardship. Calm your body and mind.
Just the facade.
Excuse me, coming through.
Reach the end of the story in your own way.
Look, D-Ting found a strange chest. And
Let me see.
there's a note here. Why do I get the feeling we're not the ones doing?
It seems like Kafka predicted our every move.
What's this?
Mr. Yang, any...
I think it might be shipbuilt.
Leave the rest to me.
Time for resolution. Lance at the ready. Reach the end of the story.
D-Ting smells something.
Will of preservation.
I know what this is. It's an advertisement.
There are IPC advert.
Good price.
Where are you going, benefactors? Our priority now is to find anything that could lead us to
I know. Let's go and have a look. Is that a grenade? What's that on the side? A small something for the... she's clearly taunting us. Downy cloud and opalescent moon are... thanks to the synesthesia beacon, I can understand...
Seems like a love poem to me.
Love poem? Quick, put it back!
High-end barge, the best choice for galactic commerce.
What's this?
a jade seal used by the shipwreck. It looks like someone used it and then destroyed it.
We should have enough clues here to get Deeding on the move.
No time to lose. Let's give him the scent and let him...
I think we've rounded up all our suspicious clues.
She sure did put a lot of work into this making us run around like jerks. I bet she's loving this. Oh, why don't you go and marry her, huh?
Don't forget, she's on the IPC's most wanted list. Let's go, benefactors. Time is of the essence.
Good quality, good price.
Being direct is always preferable. Being direct is always preferable. Catadons.
I'm on guard. Reach the end of the story in your own way.
Being direct is always preferable. Time for resolution.
Specimen sighted.
The scent.
Oh, when the trace of the hunted disappears, the hunter better think twice. It might mean the tables have turned.
Kafka.
These Cloud Knights aren't Mara-struck. What did you do to them?
Just a little persuasion to get them to listen to me. But you know all about that already, don't you? Oh, what a hassle. This place is too far for the diviner. See you up ahead.
You know nothing of the weight beyond. Survive or be destroyed. There is no other choice.
Quick! Don't let her escape!
The story in your own way.
March, not so fast!
Catadons.
So close and yet so far. You'll have to pick up.
There's no way through here. We need to think of a way to...
Don't worry about locked doors, Benefactor.